Okay, now we're gonna flip the Rubik's Cube upside down. Okay, so it was this way, we're gonna flip it upside down. Our next job is to solve the side pieces of the second layer, okay? In order to do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist the top layer until the top side piece matches the center piece of one of the sides, the front side, okay? So we're gonna twist this until the top side piece matches the center piece of the front side, but does not match the center piece of the top side. Okay, so in this case it would work, but if we do something like this, the green, we twist this around, we could not do this because the top side piece here cannot match the top center piece. Okay, so we're gonna do it with blue. We're gonna twist the blue around. Okay, so this matches this. This does not match this, which is what we want. So if the top side piece here needs to go to the left-hand side, as in this case with the blue and the orange, so the orange here, the blue here, the algorithm that you would perform to get it from here to here is as follows. It's gonna be up inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted, okay? So that just took the piece that was here and it placed it right here. So now you can see there's the orange and then the blue, okay? Now we'll do it again. So we're gonna find one that does not match the top center piece, right? So we'll try the orange here. So we're gonna twist this around, okay? So the orange matches here, but the green does not match here, which is what we want, okay? So in this case, we need to get the green here on the left side and we want the orange to stay here. So we're gonna perform that same algorithm. So up inverted, up, left, up inverted, or up, sorry, front, up inverted, front inverted, okay? And as you can see now, the top piece that was here is now on this side, okay? So we're gonna look for the last one here, or two more. Okay, so we've got, so we've got the yellow and the red here, okay? So we wanna look for the red and the blue. Okay, so we've got our piece right here. We're gonna twist it around to the blue side. Okay, so we got blue, red, doesn't match that, okay? This time, it needs to go to the right-hand side, okay? So the red needs to go here, the blue needs to be right here, okay? So we're actually gonna do the opposite algorithm, okay? So before we did the left algorithm, now we're gonna do the right algorithm, okay? So the right algorithm is gonna be up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Okay, so now you can see it was here, but we got it to the red and the blue, okay? And our last one is right here, so we're gonna look for that. So we're gonna switch this green around, okay? So this is our last top side piece, okay? So this needs to go from here to here, okay? We're gonna do the left algorithm, so that's up inverted, up left, up front, up inverted, front inverted, up inverted, front inverted, okay? So now it's right there in that spot. So we have officially solved the entire second row, but what I wanna just clarify real quick, let's say you had the top piece here, and let's say it needed to go to the left side, but it was already here in the left side, but the colors were backwards. So the orange, instead of being here, was here, and the blue was on this side. What you would do is you would hold it just like this, and you would perform the left algorithm even though it was right here, okay? As if it was up here in the top, okay? All right, so now we've got our entire first two layers solved, okay? So we're gonna tackle this top layer now. Our next goal is going to, once we have the two bottom layers solved, is to make another cross on the top layer, just like we did on the bottom layer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna orient it when it just has one, the centerpiece is the only color of that side, doesn't really matter. So we're gonna perform another algorithm. So this algorithm is gonna be front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, okay? Adjust the camera here. So, okay, so now doing that should establish an L. Okay, so you're looking for this L. This L is key. You're gonna position that L in the top left-hand corner, right? L for left-hand corner, okay? And once it's there, you're gonna do that algorithm again. So you're gonna go front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, okay? Then you're gonna get this line going across it, okay? Remember, we're trying to get that cross, so we're gonna hold it just like this, and we're gonna do the algorithm again, right? So front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Okay, now boom, we've got our cross. Okay, so this is what we're looking for right here. At this point, 2 of the top layer side pieces should match up with 2 of the center pieces on 2 of the sides, okay? So what we want to do is we want to twist the top layer until the top side piece matches the center piece here, and also the top side piece here matches this center piece, okay? In this case, they're next to each other. What you want to do is you want to put one of the matches on the right-hand side and one match across from you, okay? So right-hand side and across from you. And then you perform the following algorithm, which is gonna be right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, up, right inverted, okay? So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist the top layer, and now we've got the orange matched up, the green matched up, the red and the blue, okay? So this is ideal, so now we're good to go. But let's say that one of the matches in the previous example, the blue matched up with the blue here, and the green matched up with the green here. So that, in other words, they were across from each other. You would hold one match facing you, you'd perform that same algorithm, so you would go right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted, and then at that point 2 of the sides should match that are next to each other, and then you would put one on the right hand side, one across from you, and then you would do that same algorithm again to get this situation where all the top side pieces match with the center piece on all of the sides, okay? Once we've solved this top cross right here in the top layer, our next step is to find a corner piece that is in the correct corner but is not necessarily oriented in the correct way, okay? So we're gonna look around for that. So this one doesn't work, neither does this one. This one doesn't work either. Okay, or that one. Okay, so none of them work, but it doesn't really matter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna perform the following algorithm. We're gonna go up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, left, okay? Another way to think about that is up, away from you, up inverted, away from you, up towards you, up inverted, towards you, okay? So some people find it a little bit easier to do that, okay? So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a corner piece now that matches up. Okay, so this one matches up, this one still doesn't, this one doesn't, and neither does that one, okay? But one of them should match up after doing that algorithm, okay? We're gonna put that corner on the bottom right-hand side facing us like this, okay? Then we're gonna perform that algorithm again. So we're gonna go up, away, up inverted, away, up toward, up inverted, toward, okay? So now this corner matches up, this corner matches up, and so does this one, and obviously this one, okay? So there's one corner that we still need to solve here. Okay guys, so after filming that last segment, I realized that I needed to re-scramble the Rubik's Cube, and I want to show you guys what it's like to have different corners on that top layer out of orientation, so that I can show you the algorithm in a little bit more depth. So here we go. We're gonna scramble it, and then I'm gonna show it to you guys again. Okay, to solve the orientation of the corners, once the corners are in their correct place, which they are here, what you want to do is you want to place the corner that you want to work on in the bottom right hand corner, okay? So it's facing you, so it's right here. Okay, we're gonna work on this corner. So you already know this algorithm. This one is right inverted, right, down. Okay, we'll keep doing that. Right inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down, right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Okay, so now it's in the proper position, okay? Looks like we messed everything up, but we actually didn't, okay? We're gonna hold it just like this. We're only gonna rotate the top layer, okay? It's gonna seem like you're messing everything up, but it's not, okay? So once we have it right here in the correct corner, we're gonna go, in the bottom right-hand corner that is, we're gonna go right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Okay, once that one's solved, we're gonna rotate it again. Okay, so this is the corner, this is our last corner, right? Okay, right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, right, down. Right inverted, right, down. And 2 more twists. Boom. You just solved your first Rubik's Cube. Congratulations. You're amazing and well done. For more puzzle solving tutorials like this one, head on over to mindtribememory.com and check out some of my other vlogs there. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when I upload the next tutorial video. Thanks guys, congratulations again, and I'll see you next time.